Introduction to Excel formulas. A formula is an equation that performs calculations on values in a worksheet. Excel formulas start with an equal sign and can contain numbers, operators, and functions. Basic arithmetic operators. Excel supports basic arithmetic operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. For example, equals 2 plus 3 will return 5. Using cell references. Instead of using values directly in a formula, you can refer to cells that contain the values. Cell references are identified by their column letter and row number, such as A1 or B2. Using functions. Excel has a wide range of built-in functions that can perform complex calculations. Functions are identified by their name, such as sum, average, or if. Sum function. The sum function adds up a range of values. For example, equals sum, A1, A3, will return the sum of the values in cells A1, A2, and A3. Average function. The average function calculates the average of a range of values. For example, equals average, A1, A3, will return the average of the values in cells A1, A2, and A3. Max and min functions. The max function returns the highest value in a range, while the min function returns the lowest value. For example, equals max, A1, A3, will return the highest value in cells A1, A2, and A3. Count and COUNTIF functions. The count function returns the number of cells that contain numbers in a range. The COUNTIF function returns the number of cells that meet a specific criteria. For example, equals count, A1, A3, will return the number of cells in A1, A3 that contain numbers. If function. The if function performs a logical test and returns one value if the test is true and another value if the test is false. For example, equals if A1 is greater than 10, then return yes, else return no, will return yes if the value in cell A1 is greater than 10, and no otherwise. Nested functions. You can combine functions by nesting one function inside another. For example, equals if sum, A1, A3, if greater than 10, good, bad, will return good if the sum of the values in A1, A3 is greater than 10, else return bad.